Ever wondered why restaurant wings taste different than homemade? The secret isn't what you'd think. We've all been there, spending $30 on takeout wings when homemade ones just aren't the same. But here's what restaurants don't tell you. First, room temperature wings go into 350-degree oil. This is a non-negotiable for that crispy exterior. Small batches only. Overcrowding is why most homemade wings fail. Give them space to get golden brown. Now, the game changer. Our garlic Parmesan sauce uses canned Parmesan for that signature flaky coating that does not melt away. Restaurant quality isn't about secret ingredients. It's about knowing the right techniques. You already have everything you need in your own pantry. Now it's time to level up your wing game. Save this recipe and tag me when you make the best wings of your life. Your wallet's gonna thank you. And if you like copycat recipes, come to copycat.com. We have over 2,000 recipes waiting for you.